Yeah. Hi all, my name is Ranjith Abboju. I belongs to Varangal, Telangana. I have completed my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. After completion of my graduation, I am looking for IT sector job. One of my friend refers to the Evision Technoserve. The Evision Technoserve is a well-reputed uh, training and placement. I have learned 3 months of internship in the Evision. I have learned many more things like networking and CCNA, ITAL, and Windows administration, Windows Server. There are many more things I have learned, and good faculty and good mentors in the Evision. After completion of my training, I have placed in one of the organization Aforeserve. I have a good package of 2.8 LPA. Thank you, Evision. Thank you, Evision.